How do pop-up drink stands scale production for large festivals? They scale by simplifying the menu, preparing ingredients in a central kitchen, using fast equipment, and organizing workers into clear stations. First, the stand predicts demand by studying the festival size, weather, schedule, and expected crowd. It then chooses a small menu of drinks that share ingredients because fewer choices make service faster and reduce waste. A central kitchen can wash fruit, mix syrups, brew tea, and portion ingredients before the event begins. At the festival, workers usually have separate jobs, such as taking orders, adding ingredients, filling cups, sealing drinks, and handing them to customers. Large containers, extra ice, spare cups, and backup machines keep one small problem from stopping the whole line. One useful detail many people miss is that ice is both an ingredient and a cooling supply, so a stand must calculate how much will melt during transport and storage. Stands also track which drinks sell fastest and move those ingredients closer to the workers. To make this actionable, test the full setup during a busy practice session and measure how many complete drinks the team can make in 10 minutes. A common mistake is offering too many custom choices, so keep the menu short and prepare the most popular combinations in advance. Another mistake is planning only for the average crowd, so bring extra supplies for hot weather, delayed events, and sudden rushes. Some stands also forget that crowded lines create safety and payment problems, so place the ordering area, pickup area, waste bins, and staff paths where people will not block one another. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.